Hi, welcome to the GMK Hanami Dango Keycap review video. What's up guys, Sauce here, hope your day is going well. So today we'll be trying the GMK Hanami Dango Keycap set. Now shout out to Apples for sending this keycap set out. These are my first set of GMK keycaps and I'm honestly really excited about it. You know, GMK is known for making really high quality keycaps, but the prices are always really high. But before we get started, I would like you guys to know I just released a snow set of desk mats. These are limited edition and will only be available for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for your support on all the desk mats and wallpapers. Anyway, let's get started. So this is the GMK Hanami Dango Keycap set. Let's go on Apple's website really quickly. So this is the keycap set on Apple's website, but you can change the set of keys you want and the price will change. It'll be lower. And as you scroll down, you can see all the inspiration and the details about the keycaps. The specs of the keycaps are also at the bottom, and there are lots of pictures to show you what the keycaps will look like. And while you're here, you can check out Apple's website to see if you find anything that you like from them. They do have really great products. Let's get back to the video. Now these keycaps are really beautiful and bright, and these are really for the cherry blossom season. As you all know, the cherry blossom season is a really special season in Japan, and these keycaps capture that really well. The keycaps are pink, white, and green. These are double shot ABS keycaps in cherry profile. They're designed by Hectilion and produced by GMK. This is the base kit and it didn't come with the novelties. I believe one of the novelties is an aluminum, so the keycap is an aluminum keycap, which is really interesting. These keycaps are really beautiful, but the keyboard that I'm putting them on is the Wumir SK65, and the switches are the Mint Blizzard switches. If you want to know more about the keyboard, I did make a full review already, and you can actually check that out on my channel. I'll link it below in the description as well. Just a heads up, this is going to sound very clacky, not creamy or thocky. I think these keycaps actually enhance that sound. Since these are ABS keycaps, they do produce that pingy sound, which correlates to a higher pitch, versus PBT keycaps, which are a bit more thocky, and also PBT keycaps are better with the texture and the durability, and they tend to last longer. But yeah, these keycaps actually do enhance the sound of a clacky or poppy keyboard. I also wonder if these keycaps would be better in PBT, since ABS keycaps have better colors. Usually ABS keycaps are also cheaper, so I don't know why these are so expensive. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, do you like GMK? I know a lot of you guys talk about GMK, but let me know if you like it or not. As I said earlier, shout out to Apples for sending these keycaps out. Go ahead and check out their website. They do have great products, and these keycaps are something I do like. As I mentioned earlier, new desk mats, limited edition, they're snow themed, so if you want them, go ahead and get them right now because they won't be there forever. Use code SAUCE for 10% off. As always, thank you guys so much, and I appreciate all of you guys for your support on my wallpapers, desk mats, and everything. There will be some special announcements in November, so look out for that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.